Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Apache Tomcat on your Windows machine. So let's start the video. So you can open any of your favorite browser and just type Tomcat download. And here you can see the search result tomcat.apache.org, which is official website of Tomcat. So just click on this link. And here you can see different downloads available: Tomcat 10, Tomcat 9, Tomcat 8. So you can install whatever you want. I am installing Tomcat 10. So just scroll down here and here you can see different distributions available. So I am going to install for Windows machine. So I will be taking 32-bit, 64-bit Windows Service Installer. So let me click on this link. And here you can see it has started downloading this exe. Okay, so my download is done. Now to install this, I am going to click on this exe file. Okay, let me minimize my browser. Okay, so this is the Tomcat installer. Here I will click on next button, and this is license and agreement. So I am going to click on I agree. And now these are the two checkboxes which we have to mark. Host manager is a manager which is going to provide you administrative management for your application. So just click on this. An example, it will provide you JSP and Solid example. So I'm going to check this also. And now after this, click on next button. Here it is showing me configuration option. So this is important screen. Here it is showing me port number. So this is the port number where your Tomcat server will run. So by default it is 8080. If you wish to change, you can change. And now Tomcat 10 will be my Windows service name for the Tomcat. So in my services it will run with Tomcat 10. If you want to change, you can change this also. Here comes the administration login. So here we have to provide username and password. And remember this username and password because we have to set up this whenever you are using in some other application, for example NetBeans. So here I am going to provide my username as admin and the password I am going to provide. So you can provide any username and password and just click on next button. So wherever your JDK is installed, it has detected that. If it is installed on some other location, you can just click on this button and just browse the JDK location. Okay, now click on the next button. And here it is showing me installation location of my Apache Tomcat. So it will go to C:program files, Apache Software Foundation folder under Tomcat 10 directory. So now finally I will be clicking on install button. Okay, so it has started installing my Tomcat. Okay, so the installation is done. Here it is showing me run Apache Tomcat. If I check mark this, then it will run my Apache Tomcat immediately. I'm just unchecking show readme and then I'm going to click on finish button. Okay, so it is starting my Tomcat server with the name Tomcat 10. Here you can see it has started my Tomcat server. If you wish to stop it, you can just right click and you can stop it. Okay, so this way you can install your Tomcat server on your Windows machine. I hope this video has helped you. If yes, then do hit on like button, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to receive such more videos. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.